Alright, today we're gonna show you how to program the garage doors for the 2023 the Honda Civic Tourings. This is a Touring model, and then so the first of all, after you are wearing, here is a remote, and then you just click here. Alright, it's blinking, and then hold the light is alright. Both of the lights is blinking, is paired. There you go. And right now you just try it. There you go. It's very simple, right? And then try one more time. No. 等着么？等到它下来以后再弄。Okay, try close it. There you go. Alright, that's it. So simple.